dream moment right now.
He's trying
What's
to come
my
up with his one
Instagram
line.
handle?
He's
It's
getting
Bad
caught.
Boy
My Insta-
Wolfie. There it is.
You guys got them all. Wow.
I'm also a wolf.
We want to do one last round.
Let's do one more.
One more.
One more.
Yeah, one more.
One last one, because that one sucked for me.
Five
You said
wolves.
he's bombing on his outro.
Five
Y'all
wolves.
see my Instagram handle?
What's his Instagram handle?